how to buy PAT, the Pepe's cut token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before I'm going to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now go and open this token in the Explainer. Make sure to have an account. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. As you can see, this token has this liquidity. 98% of liquidity is locked. That's mean your investment in this safe place. Now this token is under the base network, and now go and copy this token address. Now go and open your Bitget wallet from here, and now go and select the base network from here. Now after that, click on this plus icon and paste token address. Now as you can see, this is our token called PAT. Now click on plus icon, and now go back to your wallet and find this token. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. Now after that, read all of this, and if you are ready to go, just go and click on OK, and now click on it. Now click on swap and switch it from here. Now after that, click on here to be able to select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDC. Make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and you will be able to see how much you receive. Just click on buy and you will buy this token. So this is how to buy the PATs, the Pepe's cut token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.